Hello and welcome! Today, we're re-embarking on a journey deep inside the human body to explore one of its most vital and fascinating organs, the heart. This tireless muscle is the engine of our circulatory system, working non-stop to pump life-sustaining blood to every cell. Let's take a closer look at how it performs this incredible feat. The human heart is a sophisticated four-chambered organ. Have two upper chambers called the atria, the right atrium and the left atrium, which act as receiving rooms for blood. Below them are two more muscular, lower chambers called the ventricles, the right ventricle and the left ventricle, which are the powerful pumps that send blood out of the heart. The right side of the heart handles deoxygenated blood, while the left side manages oxygenated blood, creating a brilliant dual pump system. So, what exactly is a heartbeat? It's the sound of the cardiac cycle in action, a beautifully coordinated sequence of contractions and relaxations. It all starts when the two atria contract almost simultaneously, pushing blood down into the ventricles. Immediately after, the two ventricles contract, forcefully ejecting blood out of the heart and into the major arteries. This entire sequence is what we feel and hear as a single heartbeat. To understand this process more deeply, let's break down the cardiac cycle into its three main phases. The first phase is atrial systole. During this brief phase, which lasts about 0.1 seconds, the atria contract. This contraction increases the pressure within the atria, pushing the remaining blood into the relaxed ventricles below. Think of it as topping off the tanks before the main event. The second and most powerful phase is ventricular systole, lasting about 0.3 seconds. Here, the ventricles contract forcefully. This powerful squeeze dramatically increases the pressure inside the ventricles. The pressure becomes so high that it forces blood into the two major arteries, leaving the heart, the pulmonary artery from the right ventricle, and the aorta from the left ventricle. This is the phase where blood is propelled to the lungs and the rest of the body. Following this powerful contraction is the third phase, known as complete cardiac diastole, lasting around 0.4 seconds. This is the relaxation phase for the entire heart. Both the atria and the ventricles are relaxed. During this time, the atria begin to passively fill with blood again, getting ready for the next cycle to begin. This period of rest is crucial for allowing the heart to recover and fill efficiently. Now, how does the heart ensure blood flows in only one direction? The answer lies in its four remarkable valves. We have two atrioventricular valves, the tricuspid and mitral valves, which separates the atria from the ventricles. Then we have two semilunar valves, the pulmonary and aortic valves, located at the exits of the ventricles. These valves act like one-way doors. They open to allow blood to pass through and then snap shut to prevent any backflow, ensuring a smooth, efficient and unidirectional flow of blood through the heart's chambers and out to the body. The classic lube-a-dub sound of the heartbeat is actually the sound of these valves closing. The lube is the closing of the atrioventricular valves at the start of ventricular systole, and the dub is the closing of the semilunar valves at the end of ventricular systole. A key function of this cycle is the oxygenation of blood. Deoxygenated blood, returning from the body, enters the right atrium and is pumped by the right ventricle to the lungs. In the lungs, it releases carbon dioxide and picks up fresh oxygen. Newly oxygenated blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. From there, the powerful left ventricle pumps this oxygen-rich blood through the aorta to be distributed to every single part of your body, delivering the oxygen and nutrients needed for survival. But what orchestrates this precise timing? The heart has its own electrical conduction system, a natural pacemaker. The process begins at the sinoatrial node, or SA node, located in the right atrium. It spontaneously generates electrical impulses that spread across both atria, causing them to contract. This signal then travels to the atrioventricular node, or AV node, situated between the atria and ventricles. The AV node briefly delays the signal before passing it down to the ventricles. This slight delay is critical. It gives the ventricles enough time to fill with blood from the atria before they are signaled to contract. This elegant electrical pathway ensures the atria and ventricles contract in perfect harmony. Our heart rate isn't always the same. It adapts to our body's needs. At rest, a typical adult heart rate is between 60 and 100 beats per minute. When you exercise, feel stressed, or get excited, Your brain sends signals through the autonomic nervous system to the SA node, telling it to fire more rapidly. This increases your heart rate to deliver more oxygenated blood to your muscles. Conversely, when you relax or sleep, the nervous system signals the SA node to slow down, conserving energy. This dynamic regulation allows the heart to respond instantly to our body's changing demands. Understanding the cardiac cycle highlights the importance of maintaining heart health. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, managing stress, and avoiding smoking are all fundamental to keeping this vital organ in peak condition. These lifestyle choices support efficient blood flow, maintain healthy blood pressure, and ensure the heart muscle remains strong. A healthy heart is truly the foundation of a healthy life. We hope this journey into the heart has given you a deeper appreciation for the intricate and powerful work it does every second of every day. Thank you for watching. Spew. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the wonders of biology. See you next time.